Here it is. Ooh, wow.
Ooh, 2 beds.
This is nice.
We got a Hey Disney!
Look, what's that? Oh yeah, we do have a Hey Disney.
Hey Mickey. We have to be careful.
I'm so happy we have a tub. Yay. Me too. It was a long travel day.
I can play on the top of the roof. Look at it.
A nice Keurig. It's a resort view. That's like a wall safe. You don't see that very often. What do you think, Landon? These are updated since we were here. Landon, we were here 5 years ago. Right? Here's a Hey Disney. Oh, look at Donald by the pool. That's so cute. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is a terrible view. Oh, it's not even a balcony.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Huh? Look at this balcony.
It's not a balcony. What is it, Landon? It's a Landon spot. I've never even seen this before.
What is it?
A terrible balcony. That really sucks, Phil. We can't, I guess we'll be in the parks. It won't matter, but I didn't even,
Where early did we spend a lot of time?
I didn't even know this was like an option in a
I'm
room.
gonna see this.
Yeah, the roof.
No. Look. How come they get it bigger?
I know, that's like nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ours is not.
I want to switch your room then.
Do you want me to see if they have something nicer? Phil's like, no. Get me my luggage and let's go to the parks.
Could you please?
The other thing that's kind of weird, hon? Like that safety lock is not very high for kids. Usually it's like up there. Like Lana could reach that. Is this an actual window that opens? No.
I can reach.
Yeah, the balcony view is a big wah-wah in this room. But the room's nice. I feel like they've improved it since we were here.
The room itself is pretty nice.
Yeah. Look at that dust here. Like, there's like a layer of dust. Ugh. Even here, it's a little dusty. Phil, look, there's like a layer of dust. It's not like haunted house dust, but it's a little dusty. The room's really nice, but the balcony's terrible. I feel like if you are going to sell a room with that balcony, like it should be like a lower category. It's not gonna affect us because we're not gonna really use the balcony. And maybe we would have, I don't know. I'm not happy about it, but I'm not like switching rooms. It's not that big of a deal. And not to be picky, but just there's a lot of dust on here.
Okay.
Another reason that do not recommend this room. It's like a half-mile walk to the elevator. I think it probably would have made sense to get a water view here. We are packing up. We are headed to the airport soon. Phil went and got some snackies before we head out, but I just want to say this was not a great room. There was dust in a few places, and not to have a balcony with chairs and a table is kind of a big deal. We paid over $400 a night with annual pass holder discount, so that is an expensive room. And if there was a category where it was like this, which I wasn't aware of, I think it should say room with no balcony, because this is not a balcony. This is a feel the weather outside spot. It's really crappy. And then the walk from, there's only one bank of elevators, and the walk from the elevators
was very, very far. So I guess it's my mistake. It's Disney's mistake for not saying the balcony thing. But I should have done a water view, which we did 5 years ago for her very first trip here to Disney. We stayed at beach and we had a water view in an amazing room. Next time, if I were to do this again, I would book a preferred room or a water view room for sure. It is a little more expensive. I think it was a good amount more expensive, but it's worth it. The other thing I want to say is like, this is how the maid did our sheets, which is kind of weird. It's not even like a bottom sheet, it's just kind of tucked in. The room itself is great, and I absolutely love the artwork. Let me show you the artwork. I absolutely love this one with the view of the beach club and the pool, which we really enjoyed. Landon really liked this one, didn't you? Daisy on her amazing balcony, which we don't have, with the windmill from the pool, eating her peaches and cream. That might be in front of Beaches and Cream, actually. Looks like they took a picture of the actual beach in like New Jersey, which we go to a lot, in Cape May, and put Mickey and Minnie flying kites, which is cute. Thanks for watching. We're heading out. Did you have a good Disney trip?
What do you want?
You look adorable.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.